Another chilly morning tomorrow waking up, but again, the good news is those temperatures will rebound. Snow showers as we head into Friday night or into the day on Saturday, but besides that, not too much on the horizon. Fairly quiet weather pattern setting up, but it's going to be a cold weather pattern too, especially for the day today. As that colder air is being pulled in from the north, you can see things really changing over where the high pressure system is centered right over us. It's actually going to deflect this, and that'll move off to the north and east, so it won't be affecting us at all. Plenty of sunshine for the day today. The satellite radar showing snow starting to move into parts of New England. It looks like it's starting to move into the state. Not all of this is hitting the ground at this time. Some of it evaporating before it actually hits the ground. Looks like we'll see those temperatures drop, till around sunrise, and so
we continue to drop.
Yeah, it's still going to be pretty chilly to start the day today. Let's look at what's going on. We'll see these temperatures actually gradually warm up as we go throughout the overnight hours tonight after a very chilly start to the day. The normal high temperatures are anywhere from the low to mid 50s, so we're doing pretty well as far as the temperatures go. As this wave of low pressure goes through, again, we could see a few spotty showers out there early. The good news is once we get into Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, we'll start to see those skies clear out. Things able to warm up a little bit. We'll be able to make it into the 40s tomorrow, but still below normal for this time of year. Not only heavy snow in some spots, but icing is going to be another big issue. A quarter to a half an inch of ice.
Ooh,
and
that's tough.
Yeah, on the branches, you're just saying, some of the branches still hanging from the previous storms, and now I think with some heavy snow and some icing on there, we could see some more power outages, unfortunately. All in all, today we will warm up eventually, just a very chilly start. Make sure you're bundling up as you head out the door. We haven't really seen that warm up temperatures, although, temperatures in the 20s this morning. Feels pretty nice out there.
It was really nice walking outside, especially after yesterday.
Yeah, right. And it looks like we'll stay upper 20s, low to mid 30s for highs today. It's 20 degrees above normal for Christmas Day. So actually we might be breaking some records. So it's kind of exciting in the weather world. Right?
You guys,
come on!
They love it. Anything that's strange happens with the weather, and they're all excited, even though it's
really
ruining
excited.
our Christmas.
Nerd alert.
You can make the best out of Christmas,
Nerd alert.
right?
I love it.
Nerd alert.
Let's take a look at our headlines. It'll be bright but cold and breezy for the day today. Those wind chills will make things feel even colder than it actually is. Could feel like below zero for much of the day today, unfortunately. Not as cold for the rest of the week, though. We'll gradually warm up as we get into the day tomorrow, about 5 to 7 degrees warmer, then another 5 to 7 degrees on top of that as we get into the day on Thursday. So things gradually improving, getting a little closer to our normal high temperatures for this time of year. No big storms this week. Still no big storms on the horizon. It looks like even through next weekend, we'll see things stay fairly quiet. Could see another chance, possibly at a few snow showers Friday night and then another chance on Saturday night. But besides that, it's pretty much it. Fairly quiet weather pattern still. Current temperatures you can see are cool, on the cool side definitely from north to south. You're seeing cold temperatures and then warming up as you head a little bit closer to the coast. Right now it's 16 degrees in Bangor, it's 12 in Waterville, 15 degrees in Augusta, 2 degrees in Greenville, 8 in Millinocket, and it's 1 below in Caribou. So temperatures will continue to cool off, of course, until we see the sun come up today. They'll gradually cool off again from north to south as we head through the rest of the morning. You can see this very cold air mass. This is shifting into our area, and we'll see high temperatures stay on the cool side today. It looks like we'll only make it into the teens across the state. Upper teens along the coast. As you head inland, will be somewhere in the mid-teens. And then farther north, temperatures in the upper single digits, maybe. It looks like more a better chance to see some temperatures in far northern Maine in the low teens. Here's a look at the wind speed. So not only are we dealing with those cold temperatures this morning, but we're dealing with very gusty winds as well, very breezy conditions, anywhere from 15 to close to 20 miles an hour, and they're gusting even higher this morning. You can see those wind speeds again. 21 is the current wind speed in Augusta out of the northwest right now. So when you couple the cold temperatures plus the winds together, you get the wind chill factor. This is what it actually feels like on bare skin as you head out the door this morning. So it feels like 15 below in Greenville. It feels like 16 below this morning in Holton, and it feels like 21 below this morning in Caribou. So very, very cold conditions this morning, and as we head into this afternoon, we'll see temperatures improve a little bit, but we will be dealing with the wind for much of the day today. So unfortunately, the wind chill will make things feel cold through most of the day today as well. Wind chill advisories have been issued from the National Weather Service. Those are in effect through 10 o'clock this morning. Again, those wind chills could make things feel as cold as 20 to 30 below this morning. So just make sure you're dressing very warm especially if you have to spend a significant amount of time outdoors. Looking at the satellite radar now, you can see things really continuing to push off to the north and east. We're seeing skies clear out, and that's because of an area of high pressure that's moving in for the day today. Snow hung on a little bit longer last night than expected, and so those temperatures stayed a little bit more mild last night, a little bit milder last night, and we're seeing things finally start to cool off as those winds now coming out of the north and anywhere from 10 to 20 miles an hour at this time. Looking at the satellite radar, there's an area of high pressure right about here, and it's going to bring us clear skies for the day today, which will bring us sunny skies for today, for tomorrow, into the day on Thursday, even into the day on Friday. There's going to be that area of high pressure that'll slowly move through our state, and we'll see it again nice and clear, fairly quiet weather pattern for this week. Some of the snowfall reports coming in a little bit more in some spots than expected. Lincoln got 4.5 inches. You can kind of go on down the line and pick out your town or close to your location there. But overall, somewhere in the range of about 1 to 4 or 4.5 inches is what we saw from this storm. For the rest of the day today, mainly sunny skies. Again, that high pressure system starts to move in. We'll see those winds coming out of the north or north-northwest today at around 10 to 15 miles an hour, gusting a little bit higher. So it'll be breezy, and with those temperatures only making into the teens, the wind chill factor will be making things feel even colder. Sunny and seasonable for the day. Tomorrow, we'll see the high start to shift off to the north and east, but it's still going to stay nice. Temperatures will be able to warm up a little bit more for the day tomorrow too. Highs today only in the teens, sunny and cold and breezy too. For tonight, we'll see temperatures 10 below to 3 above. Farther north you go, the colder it could get. We could see temperatures as low as 20 below in far northern Maine, and that's without even factoring in the wind chill tonight. Wind should be fairly calm out there tonight too. Small craft advisory in effect, winds from the north at 20 to 25 knots for today. Could gust a little bit higher, waves at around 3 to 5 feet. Could be dealing with some light freezing spray out there this morning too. So plenty of sun this week, cold and breezy for today. Things gradually warming up as we get into, that should say Wednesday, not Friday, tomorrow, and then into the day on Thursday and Friday too. It looks like some clouds move in though for Friday and Saturday. We'll be right back.